Hi, this is David from Xceleration, the Excel learning channel. In this video, we're going to go over the text to columns feature in Microsoft Excel. The text to columns feature splits a single column of text into multiple columns. For instance, you may have a column of full names that you want to split into one column for the first names and one column for the last names. You can split the column using two options, a delimiter or fixed width. We're going to go over the two different options with our examples below. Very similar, except that there is one small difference. In one case, we have spaces between the values to split, and in the second case, there is no space between them. So let's go over the first example. Selecting our data, then on the Excel ribbon, going to Data, Text to Columns. Again, for the first data sets, we have spaces between the values. So the right option is delimited. Clicking on Next. Now we need to tell Excel what the delimiter is. Tab is selected, but it doesn't seem to do anything, as you can see on the data preview. However, look what's happening when I select space. Now 3 columns instead of 1. Clicking on Next. Now we can format the new columns. And it looks like for the second field, it should be formatted as a date. Because I'm located in the United States, the date format is month, day, year. If you are located in a different part of the world, the date format might be different, and you can adjust it using the drop-down values. Clicking on Finish. Now the data is transformed. We have 3 columns instead of 1. Let's work on the second data set using the second option, the fixed width. Again, Data, Text to Columns, and this time we're going to select the second option, fixed width. Clicking on Next. And now we're going to manually insert breaks. So if I click on the data, right after the letter C and before the date, it's going to insert a break. If I made a mistake and if I need to move it, I can just click and drag it and position it where it should belong. If I double click on it, I will make it disappear. Again, I think we need a break after the first 3 letters before the date, one right after the date, and now it looks like we will have 3 columns. Clicking on Next, same thing, we can format the fields. I'm going to format the second field as a date. Clicking on Finish, and now we're all set. So that's how you use the text to columns feature in Microsoft Excel. Remember to like the video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to post them on YouTube. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel to get access to more videos. Thanks for watching.